Hello and welcome to the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. This is Sandy here, and today I am in the thrift store just looking around. You never know what you're going to find, but I found this beauty. Now currently I do not have a cocktail table or coffee table in my home, and I use a large ottoman for it. But when I saw this little table here at the thrift store, I thought this would be the perfect addition because I needed something small. I have a small space and this was perfect. So I brought it home. You see my dog here checking it out, giving his approval. The table was just $8.99. Now, you cannot find a coffee table for that price. Now, it's a little unorthodox, if you will. It kind of looks like a picnic table, but that's what I really liked about it. It's different. So I brought it on in, I cleaned it up, and of course you can see that it needs some work done to it. So that was my next task, to get it all cleaned up so that it would fit into my space. Now, other than a cleanup, it really wasn't horrible. The wood was in fairly good shape and everything, but the color just had a little bit too much red in it for me. So I wanted to get it stained to match my decor. So I took it apart and I wanted to give the legs of the table a fresh coat. And then I started to sand the table to get some of the stain that was on there off of there. I thought I would get it down to the original, down to the wood, but I wasn't able to do that. I just didn't have the arm strength. But I got it down enough to go ahead and put a coat of stain on it to put more brown into it, which is what I wanted to do. So I should say that this is a part of a challenge that I'm doing. This is called the $10 Thrifting Challenge, and it's hosted by none other than Kimberly over at Diva Designing, on a dime with Kimberly Davis. And with many collaborations, there will be a link to Kimberly's channel so that you can go over and check out all of the things that she does. She does a lot of home decor and thrifting as well. And there will also be a playlist with other participants that have found amazing finds at the thrift store for $10 or less. So be sure to check them out. So what I'm doing here is putting the stain on. I got some men wax and put it on, and you can see I'm using my dumpster because I got tired of being down there on my knees in the garage. And I've never done this before. I'm always trying something new. But I was learning as I went along, so I just went ahead and put that darker stain on there. It was more like a walnut color, which matched better with my decor. And I love the way that it turned out. And I finished off with a coat of polyurethane on there. And then I was able to actually stain something else. Once I get started painting, I just don't know when to stop. But it looked really, really good. So I'm super excited about it. It's very rustic, which is what I really liked about it. It's not going to be, in the perfect condition, but I really liked that it gave it so much character to me. So I was very pleased with it. So a special thanks to Kimberly for hosting this challenge, because I was in the thrift store that day looking for what I was going to share as a part of my $10 thrifting. And lo and behold, I found a beautiful table that I absolutely love. So thank you for hosting this collab, Diva. And I was definitely in the market for a cocktail table, but I never thought I'd find it at the thrift store, and I definitely never thought I'd find the size that I needed, because I needed one really small. And I had been to furniture stores looking, but they all are very, very large, which just did not work. So this worked perfectly. It wasn't too big. I gave the legs a fresh coat of paint and painted the little gold medallion there in the middle. And like I said, it's very rustic, but it works for me. I really like it. It matches the color of my fireplace TV stand, and it's just the perfect addition. And so I just was able to move my tray over there, put a couple of restoration hardware books over there that are free at the store, and some olive branches in a vase that I got at the at-home store. My little pumpkin is from the Dollar Tree, painted that white. And voila, I am loving my living room space now. This is just the perfect little addition. It's very unique. only $8.99. You cannot do any better than that. So thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you're not currently a subscriber to my channel. I would love to have you as a part of my sister cousin lifestyle family. Over here I do all things home decor and thrifting hauls and shopping hauls, and I would love to have you as a part of my family. So if that's something that you like, please hit that subscribe bell and the notification bell before you leave today. And don't forget to head on over to the Diva's channel to check out her video as well as the playlist. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you back here next time. Bye bye.